I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring GPS is enabled and data or Wi-Fi is active so maps can locate you precisely. Open Google Maps and sign into your Google account. This lets you save places and sync across devices. Next, make sure the app region or language is set to the Philippines so results favor local businesses and roads. Once done, tap the search bar and type a place or address. This first step gets you into the app and ready to navigate. With a destination entered, tap directions and choose the mode: driving, transit, walking, or ride. You pick the route that shows the best ETA and traffic colors, green, orange, red, so you understand delays. Use the satellite layer to view landmarks or enable traffic to see live congestion. This helps you decide alternate roads. Once you select a route, tap Start and follow step-by-step voice guidance. Make sure to glance at upcoming turns and junction names to avoid sudden moves. Start navigation and listen to voice guidance while watching lane assist and distance prompts. This keeps you calm and on the correct lane. Save frequent places like home or work, share your ETA with contacts, and download offline maps for Philippines regions if you expect spotty signal. If directions are wrong or missing, first re-enable GPS, toggle location permissions, and clear the app cache, then research and reroute. If problems persist, switch to a different route or restart the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.